LEGEARS vlog, and now I'm here exactly at the top of the mountain where you can find the Herkules Monument in Kassel, Germany. So that is like the base going up there where you can find Hercules. But let me show you first this beautiful view from here. The whole city of Kassel. That is where we're going to to that. I don't know if it's like a palace or a castle as well, but I saw the map. There's like a Löwenburg castle. I think it's somewhere there. So here there is a way going down over there, and that is the water. Wasserspiele says. So we will go there exactly, and that is Herkules. See? But right now you cannot go up there because it's closed. So the entrance there is here, and there's another one, and here at the middle as well. But they are closed, under renovation. Maybe it's too windy, that's why they are trying to make it like really strong. And that is the fountain going down to the palace or the castle. So that is the short tour or the quick tour here. Hercules. See the blue sky. It's just like perfect. Alright, so that's it. So yeah, I'm going to take some pictures here and also like short video reels for YouTube, so you can find it or you can see it or watch them. Alright, bye bye, LEGEARS vlog. Cheers.